how to connect Qikink to your Odoo website. I'm going to tell you how to connect Qikink to your Odoo website. Qikink is a print-on-demand service, and to connect it with your Odoo website, you'll want to integrate your store so orders flow smoothly between the two platforms. Since Qikink doesn't have a direct Odoo plugin, the easiest way is through API integration, or using middleware tools like Zapier or Integromat. Start by getting your Odoo website's API credentials, enable developer mode, then create an API key in your user settings. On the Qikink side, check if they provide API access or exportable order data. Using these, you or your developer can set up automatic syncing where new orders from your Odoo store get sent to Qikink for fulfillment. Alternatively, if full automation isn't possible, you can manually export orders from Odoo and import them into Qikink's dashboard. Either way, connecting the two platforms allows your website to handle sales while Qikink manages printing and shipping, creating a smooth workflow without juggling separate systems.